everybody. Nancy here from Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting with a diamond painting unboxing for you. This just came in the mail today. It's not very big, but let's see. I think they're getting better and better with the packaging from China. Here it is. This is a free diamond painting that I won from the freebies on AliExpress. And I didn't read the information, the description very closely because, oh boy, is this tiny. It's a 20 by 25. And this is the second one that I've gotten from AliExpress under their freebies section. You know, you can apply for freebies twice a day. And this is a tiny little troll doll. It's not, I'll put her name up. I can't think of it offhand. It's cute. And I think it's gonna come out well. It's not like 4 colors. Look at it. Yeah, I'll put the picture up. I forget her name. I'm not into these. I just saw a diamond painting and I put in my application and surprise, surprise, I won. But there's a lady in my Facebook group, Fancy Nancy Diamond Painting, who said her son loves this one. So I said, if you want it, you can have it. So I will send it to her. Let me just do the unboxing. It's a white boat with a funnel, a tiny little chunk of pink wax, a couple bags, really nice tweezers. They don't say anything on them, and a single drill pen. I thought maybe they're the kind that say the company name on them, but they don't. There's an inventory sheet. It's packaged well, wrapped around the foam core. It came in a tiny little bag, and this is really in good shape considering how it was shipped. It's fine. There are 21 colors. It looks like 21. No, more than that. Sorry. Oh, it's a full drill square, 20 by 25. This is the smallest one I've ever seen. I guess they figured since it was free, they would just give away the smallest size. Alright, I'm gonna have to open this. I don't even remember who I promised this to, but I do have it written down on my phone, along with her address. Let's see, number of colors is 29 colors for such a tiny little diamond painting. That's pretty good. I want to say her name is like Loopsy or something, but I don't know. If you know, don't put it in the comments because then I'm just going to feel dumb. And I do have it written down, so I can get to it right away. Here's the drills. You can see they're very bright, beautiful colors. And, you know, honestly, I was a little shocked at the size because I'd never get one this size if I had a choice. But they sent it to me free to review. And it's really good quality. It's surprising quality. The symbols are clear. They're a little, the symbols are a little taller than you normally see in a square. Does that make sense? Can you see them? It's like they elongated the symbols a little bit. Let me look. Oh, I love when there's a hair on the canvas and it's a long black hair. Oh, okay. The symbols on the canvas are perfectly square. So it's just the grid, the key. I'll show you. It's just on the key where they're a little taller than they should be. This is very cute. It would look nice, finished and framed in a little kid's room. So, yeah, quick little one. I would recommend this company. If something this small is this good quality, well then I would hope that their larger diamond paintings are better quality. Oh, here comes BB joining the party. Okay, so you have a great day. Thank you for joining me. I really appreciate everybody's support. And happy diamond painting. Take care. Bye-bye.